Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Nissan Versa Note. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.